Little introduction to my little speaker setup. It's nothing. Hold on. We got some Kenwood 5-way 6x9s. Brand new. See that? Brand new. These kind of old, but okay, I don't care. Little JO Audios, tweeters. Got some Pioneers. Pioneer, what's these? What's 2-way? Yeah, you see that? What it was? Some Kenwoods. Smart Kenwoods, cause you know Kenwood. If you ain't got no Kenwoods, your system don't sound good. Oh, what's that? Yeah, them 15s. I'm about to get a Crunch amp, so waiting on that to come. What's this? What's this? You know what that is? It's a little TV. This nothing. Closet game, sick. Clothes game, sick. Clothes game. Jordan game. Jordan game. Little hating brother in there. There you go, right there, doing his homework.
Girl, this is when he told me I had to pour out all my shit right, and I had bought that.
Mama running her mouth.
That lotion.
Yeah, you see her.
That one kind. That one kind. The good.
Let me take you to the money.
Which kind you got?
Dum dum.
Not the body, but the other one. It's the something.
A little red and black.
Something fruity.
Raisin stripes. Black rounds. We doing a little construction right now, so it's messed up. Yeah. You know how I get down. It's all messed up right now. That's for the TV. This for the TV. It's for the TV. A little fixer upper job. I got the neons up there. They down there too. That's messed up. Cut the light on for you. Speaker hole. Little force inspector. What else? That's it. 95 money. Yeah, 6x9s in the house. Let me show you my baby though. This my baby. Let me show you my other baby. There she is. Who you know 18 with a charger? Really? Yeah, this my baby. They like this. Hoes love it. This my mama car. Look, Cadillac. 07. Shit, we couldn't get her no big rounds. We got a little girly thing. That's about it. Get at me.